Hello and welcome back everyone. This one's a really quick video on concatenating data frames in polars. Concatenation means just stacking two data frames vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. It's similar to the VStack and HStack in NumPy. I have these data frames with me, A1 and B1. They both have two columns, age and name. And say I want to add B1 below A1 combined into a single data frame. So the way we can do this is by writing pl.concat, then pass in a list of the data frames to merge, in our case A1, B1. Then how is equal to vertical, since we're performing a vertical stack. And we get them as such, B1 right below A1. If I reverse the order of the list, though, and write B1 first, I'll get the data frame A1 below B1. Key thing to remember is that the number of columns and their names must be same when performing a vertical stack. For the horizontal stack, we'll use this data frame of cities, and there's really nothing to it. We just need to change the how argument to horizontal. And the city gets added at the end. Same as earlier, if we change the order of the list, the output changes. We get city first. For horizontal stacking, the number of rows of the data frames must be same. Lastly, we'll look into a diagonal stacking. We'll use this data frame D1. We change the how to diagonal and observe the two data frames have been stacked diagonally next to each other, placing null values for empty cells. And like before, switching the order of the list puts D1 at top left, A1 at the bottom right. Hope this was useful to you. It was a really trivial thing, but thought you guys should know about it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.